Hey guys, it's Izzy here. So I fixed the brightness on this camera for when I film in this location because of that window. So tell me down below if y'all think this is too dark, because it does look kind of dark from my viewfinder, but I'm not sure if it is too dark. So I have to make this video quick because I don't have a lot of battery left on my camera. But I got 2 packages today. And well, I got one today, one the other day, and the first one is from Pop in a Box, but I don't know if it's my subscription or if it's 2, or I pre-ordered 3, I think. I actually pre-ordered 4, but I got one of the set the other day, but not the rest. So I was kind of worried. So this is what I can see so far. And it is something that I already have both of these pops. So we have 11 elevated. And then we have Pennywise with spider legs. I don't know if this is the Pennywise I have. I have a Pennywise, and yeah, this is the Pennywise I have. So I do have both of these pops, so probably give them away. See if anybody I know wants them, and if nobody does, they will be on my eBay. Don't call me a flipper. If I already have them, I'm gonna sell them. I don't go intentionally buying Funko Pops and stuff. But let's go to our second box. This is one from eBay. It came from Pennsylvania. Let's get into it. I don't think this is a Funko. I just don't think it is. Very good packaging, like, keeps coming out, y'all. Yeah, so this is a new line that I've started collecting called, it's the Game of Thrones Dark Horse figures. And I don't have all of them yet. I was gonna film my actual collection of them today, but I got lazy and wanted to film something where I didn't have to go upstairs, because upstairs there's no AC and it's like 100 degrees. But today I got Tyrion. I don't think this one looks like Peter Dinklage at all, but it is Tyrion. And the back of the box only gives you, like, it tells you about their character. I'm gonna read it to y'all. This is like the best condition one I've got. So, the third and youngest child of Tywin Lannister, Tyrion has been scorned, derided, and underestimated all his life due to his being born a dwarf. Indeed, he is known far and wide as the Imp. His intelligence and good humor have helped him weather many hardships with little help from wine and horrors. Having lived most of his life decidedly outside the Game of Thrones, he becomes an unwitting player when he is falsely accused of murder and put on trial, an event that soon leads to an all-out civil war. Then, in the wake of Ned Stark's death, Tyrion is appointed to the office of Hand of the King. The back of the box kind of confused me, and I've seen all the Game of Thrones episodes. So those are the things that I unboxed for y'all today. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, guys.